In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run employee payroll in QuickBooks 2026 step by step. Let's start at the very beginning. Log into your QuickBooks account and head to payroll from the left menu. If you haven't set up payroll yet, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your business details, including your EIN, address, and tax information. This is the foundation QuickBooks uses to calculate and file correctly. So take a moment to verify everything is accurate. During setup, you can also add your employees by entering their full name, address, pay type, salary or hourly, and their tax information from a completed W-4. While you're here, set up direct deposit if you plan to use it. It's optional, but it saves time and helps ensure on-time paydays. Once the basics are in place, you can add or update employees anytime by going to Payroll, then Employees, and selecting Add an Employee. Fill in their pay rate, choose the correct pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or whatever your company uses, enter tax withholding details, and if you're paying by direct deposit, their bank information. Save your changes. Accuracy here prevents downstream corrections, so confirm spellings, social security and tax details, and pay frequencies before you move on. With your team set, it's time to run payroll. Go to Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Select the appropriate pay schedule for this run. If you have hourly team members, enter their hours for the period. Review the preview carefully. Wages, employer and employee taxes, and any deductions should look right. When everything checks out, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and other deductions tied to the employee profile. If you use direct deposit, make sure you allow enough lead time before payday so funds land on time. Next, handle payroll taxes. Go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax to review amounts due. If automatic payments are enabled in your subscription, you'll see the option to pay. QuickBooks can also file certain forms automatically, depending on your plan and setup, but it's still wise to confirm due dates and payment statuses so nothing slips through. Finally, generate the reports you need. Open Reports and search for Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and the Tax Liability Report. Download or print them for your records for reconciliation or to share with your accountant. These reports make audits, budgeting, and period-to-period reviews much simpler. That's it. Set up payroll, add employees, run payroll, pay taxes, and pull reports. Double-check tax and employee details